Okay, so let's talk about scheduling. So the first thing you should know is that Allmoxy is equipped with a very basic scheduling system, one that hinges almost completely on the ship date. So that date is very important when it comes to scheduling. It's meant to be as powerful as possible and keep things very simple. Really, the day that you ship things is what everything should flow backwards from. The scheduling system is set up from the beginning to be very customer centric. So there are settings in the site that have defaults as far as delivery dates. And you can play with those, but basically they say, if customer is ordering on X day, add X days, and that is the default shipping date. Or you can let the customer completely choose their date, or you can take that away from them entirely. But default is set up that the customer can basically dictate the day they want. And that's important to listen to the customer, and sometimes it alleviates stress on your end. Because really what we find is that not everyone wants their job right now. And by allowing the customer to choose their date, you're getting important data from them. So really that's how I would recommend setting it up. Now, of course, that date has to be verified and then confirmed with a trigger, typically using an email. Basically, it works like this. The orders come in, you look at them, you verify them, you give them a ship date. And you can use the schedule capacity report and the projection report to make sure you've scheduled the right amount of work for each delivery day.